How to make a website on Webadar. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a website using Webador. So Webador is basically a very easy platform where you can create a website in 10 minutes as they say, and it doesn't get any easier. They say that as well. So it's very easy to get started. It's very easy to make a website. There are really good customization options available. So Webador is a really good platform. So as you can see here, when you open webador.com onto your google.com, this is the site that you are going to be welcomed onto, and in here you're going to find their products. You have your website, you have your web shop, you have domain, and you have email. So these are all the things that you can create with Webador. They also have a pricing version of pricing plans available, so I'm just going to show you these as well so that you have an idea what you're getting yourself into. So here you can see this is basically the business plan, which is available for $1 for the first 3 months, and then $20 per month, and no startup cost for ambitious professionals. And you can see one domain name, you can get one Excel mailbox, free hosting, unlimited pages, etc., etc., etc. There are a lot of features that you can get with this specific plan, and you can just go on and see all these features. When you go with the pro version, which is also for $1 for first 3 months and then $10 per month, it is a little bit it is economical. It also has all these features, one mailbox, and you can see that it has almost the same features. No, some features are missing in this plan, but you can basically access that, and it is the one that is recommended for small business owners. Then you have a light plan, which is for $6 per month after 3 months, and you have no startup costs on that as well, and on one domain name, and you don't get a mailbox, and you also don't get a lot of other features that were available on other plans. And then you have an always free plan for individuals and hobbyists, which is the plan that we're going to use. In here we are going to get webador.com address as in our domain name, and then we have free hosting and everything. There are enough features for us to continue and to use for a normal website if we are not looking for great business website or something like that. For individuals and for hobbyists, this is a great plan. So this is what we're going to use for today. So go on to your Webador, just click on this option which says get started, and you can just go on with starting the whole process. What kind of website do you want to build? I'm just going to click on this website. This is just to help us improve your experience. Click on continue. I'm going to watch the title of your website, your company name. For example, I'm just going to say let's say my company name is Salon by MN. Okay, I'm just going to continue. Okay, now create an account. I'm just going to add in my email. I'm going to add in a password really quickly, and I'm going to create an account for myself. Okay, continue. Okay, so now you can see here these are all the templates that are available for me to get started. I can just continue with any of this template, and they look really good. This is a clean need a plant, coffee, a holiday, furniture, and beauty salon. As you can see, I have added something related to a salon, so I'm just going to get a template that is related to salon. You can just go on and choose any random template, and you can convert it into your own template very easily. Like, you just have to change a couple of pictures and you're good to go. Like, this is Zen lifestyle, yoga and massages, and you can see these templates are really great. And you can see this is basically Flora, love your body, the finest vegan products. And you can see this is relax massage parlor, burger station. There are restaurant templates, then there are shades templates, then there are wild pixel, and there's natural beauty. Like, there are a lot of templates available to choose from, and you can just go on and choose any of this and you're good to go. You just have to make a couple of changes, and that is great. You can also basically get a blank template for yourself, and you can create something out of it for yourself, which is entirely depends on you, on your creativity. But I'm going to use a template, and I would suggest you using a template if you're a beginner, because it basically lets you get an idea of everything, where is everything is going to be placed, how everything should look like, and everything. So basically, if you're a beginner, just go on with the template and then recreate it and develop it into something new of your own. So I'm just going to start with this template. I'm going to see how I can work with this specific template. So let's get into it. Okay, so register your domain. First of all, I'm going to select a domain for myself. I'm going to choose any address, like salon by MN is available, so I'm just going to click on this, choose this address, and I'm good to go. Then I'm going to choose a version. I'm just going to choose a plan, like this is the free plan, and then I'm going to wait until it loads. Okay, so I've got my website, and now I can basically make editing and changes to it. Okay, so it is basically going to show, it is telling me click on the symbol to explore the rest of. Okay, so I'm just going to get started with Webador, edit website, publish your website, register a professional domain name, get found on Google, and all these steps. These are all these steps that you need to complete with Webador. So okay, I'm just going to go, and now what you need to do is basically I'm going to click on this option pages. This is where I'm going to find the pages of my whole website, and then this is where I'm going to find the design option of my for my website. So I'm just going to see that you have header, accent color, sidebar, background, show model, and footer and text formatting and everything. Okay, customize your design, and you can change the template if you want to from this option right here. Okay, close. I'm good to go. I'm going to basically go on and continue with my editings and stuff. First of all, I need to change my accent color because I seriously don't like that. I'm going to make it red because red is something that I would like more rather than this specific color. I'm just going to select. Okay, so this looks better. Now I'm going to select the header color. This is, I don't like this as well. I'm just going to choose this, or let's say I want to choose black. Let's say I'm going to go into the golds and rose golds and something like that. And okay, select. I'm going to choose this one as something else as well. Let's say I want to be a little darker version of this. Okay, select. Okay, so this looks better. Now if you want to change the sidebar, just go on and change it as well. Let's say I want to change the sidebar to this color, or I want to change it to a little lighter pink. Okay, so background is going to be this background. I'm going to change the background as well to this color. No, this doesn't look good. To this color somewhat. Okay, select. And okay, so if you want to show the model or you do not want to show the model, I'm just going to show the model because it looks, aesthetic. And then you have your text formatting. If you want to change the footer color, you can just go on and change that. I think it looks okay. Then the text formatting, you can just go on and see that your general text is going to be this, and you can change the color of it, the link color as well. I'm just going to change the color of my general text to black, this one. Okay, select, and you can basically change the link color. The link color is gold. Default font is this. You can just change that to and turn if you want to. Then you have your header text. Header text is colored in this, and the style is basically, you can change the font. I'm going to change the font, and I'm going to change it to something more stylish. If I can get that. Let's see, how does it look? I'm going to make it non-italic, and okay, it looks better. Or I can change the color of that. I'm going to make it darker, a little bit darker. Okay, select, good to go. Okay, now if you want to change others as well, I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to save. This is good to go. Okay, so this is my website. I have changed the designing and as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add different images to my website. I'm just going to go on my editor, and you can see I can add image. Now I want to edit this new image. Okay, so you got these images as for what I've searched for salon, and you can see this is what looks goes with my theme. I'm gonna click on save, and I'm going to add that as my header image right here. So you can see this looks really good. Now if you scroll down, you can drag elements from your option, and you can basically go on and add that. I'm going to click on save to this, and now I'm just text, image, farm, button, product, and product gallery. So you can add these kind of columns, and you can basically drag your elements right here, and you can basically make them something really good. Like for example, I want to add a column. Just go on and drag that, and you have got a column. You can add different things. You can add different images about your services to these areas, and then you can add the text about it. Then you can add your basically you can add different tables, accordion. You can basically add blog. You can map comments. Like when in your footer, you can add social icons. For example, I'm just going to add social icons right here, and you can see basically you have your Facebook, your Insta, your Twitter, and everything. Just go on and go in the center. You can basically add your links into it, and you're good to go. And you can basically add different informations. Go on to your pages and add different pages, home, about, and contact. You can add services. You can also add products. You can also add if some reviews or something like that, add these kind of pages. And after that, you can basically, for adding a new page, this is a really good easy option. With banner, without banner, choose the one, add the page name, and just click on save, and you have added a new page. So this is how basically you add all these things into your website. After you have done completing everything, just click on this option which says publish, and your website will be published. If you want to change the view of your website to see how it's going to look on your mobile, just go on and see your mobile view from this option. So as you can see, it looks good so far. When you add, we will add different things, it's going to look really amazing because we have added the theme and everything in a really good manner. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.